I'm going out with my friend. We're going with Paige. She's in the front right now. We're going to Bayfront Park, and so I'm just vlogging to show you guys, I guess, our day, I guess. I guess you can say it like that. Yeah, so I guess we're just stopping off at the grocery store to pick up some food. And we're just gonna wait in the car, I guess, because that's all we can do. This is my first vlog, so hopefully you guys enjoy it, because I'm kind of new to this. So, like this. Cup of ace, cup of goose, cup of treat. Gigi. Who that? Ah, Gigi, why? Who that? Gigi. Gigi. Okay, so we're here finally, and yeah. No, it doesn't. There's Paige. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Look it. Okay.
Oh. Is it? Oh, that's how I was doing like the ugly thing.
Okay.
So nice out.
I know.
I was gonna wear pants. Good thing I didn't. Something's going on.
Yeah, see, look, something's going on over there.
Well, there's different things. Like they had a beer tent one weekend.
A beer tent?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then another time they had rides. So we sat and have to
So bright. Why did I bring my glasses? Glasses. Yeah, so we're just gonna go watch Paige's mom sail, because she's so good at it.
Yeah. Well, that's debatable.
Look at it, it's so beautiful. Something going on here though. Here's the boats. Yes.
Okay. Courtney, this is so awkward.
Who cares?
Because ours is black and white.
Hey.
Hello.
Hi.
Paige.
Hi. Kelly. This is Courtney, our friend.
Hi.
So you all going there?
They're just gonna watch me. They're gonna help me rig a boat. Oh, they're just gonna watch what I do, and they're gonna watch me launch, and then they're gonna go hang out at Williams and walk around, and then
Come
meet up
back.
with me later after the
Super.
Yeah.
Well, Brian might be going out on that other boat, the one he took over to Burlington Beach, if they want to go out for a sail.
Oh, I don't know.
Just as a thought.
Would you want it?
Sure, yeah.
And we'll have
would
to
be
see
cool.
when he comes down. But you guys do your stuff and then pick
Yeah,
up.
that would be really cool actually. Go sailing.
But I
You could take us sailing if you want.
Oh, no.
These cookies look delightful. I think I might just take one.
It was nice of that lady to ask us to go sailing away.
I know.
Girl.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun.
Just like
That's so embarrassing.
actually, you know what? Joanne's coming down to have a big boat lesson. I wonder if it's Brian that's teaching Joanne, and if that's the case, you might be able to go with them.
Ooh.
Maybe.
so
I don't know. I'm not sure.
We might be going sailing.
Well, no, I don't know. But
Sail.
if you did, I wouldn't go with you. I'd still do my thing.
Yeah, because
Joanne's the
we want you to have your lesson. Yeah,
No, that would. I actually really want to go now.
I know.
Cause something to do. I like this. This is a nice little cozy area here.
Yeah. Say hi.
Hi, just getting ready to go skating with my cool gloves.
Ooh, and her rockin' outfit.
And her sailing top and her
Yes.
cute
Called
shoes.
On
Trying
point.
Too hard.
Everything is on point.
Yes. If you can't operate, decorate.
Yes.
Your hair looks so good today.
No, I love it.
She hates it, but it looks cute.
I like it.
Yeah, just make sure this is on.
We're gonna go to the boats, and then we're gonna go take a nice walk around.
You do go.
This is the pier. this. So there's an old couple looking at us.
I know, in the car. That's really awkward.
But they're just jealous that they're not our age anymore. They're like, what the hell are they doing? I know.
Actually, no, it's
So this is the lovely view we have over here.
Oh, that's okay.
That poor boy.
That's so cute.
Basically, hopefully we'll be going sailing because
And
it doesn't get any more interesting than this.
I hope Corny Johnson and Lake. I'll be the happiest girl on the earth.
Oh. We're getting ready to go on a boat. I'm on a boat.
Your shoes are really ugly.
No, they're not. Like, thanks. Yeah. So we're going on.
I should have brought my
boats.
shades.
Okay.
I can't see anything.
Also, like, you like.
Mike, that's awkward.
It's gonna be a boat bigger than this. Yeah, just basically a boat like this but bigger.
You see the same people, same face, same family.
Yes.
Kind of like you've been seeing them
Ew,
all.
Here we go. Let's.
I hope we don't see the pictures after.
I know.
But this is better, so.
Yes. There's the sail.
That boat's been here, parked here for a couple of days, a couple of weeks now. This big boat.
I'm We're sailing. Yeah, I want to go there. So cool. I know.
There's some one or two club members that insist everybody should spend some bow time.
Yeah.
I know. Come on.
Yeah, cool.
Probably better leave your shoes down below.
I know.
Yeah, should we?
I should think.
Yours I would.
Okay.
We're at the front of the boat. Paige, come on. And Kevin. Yes. Woo. Woo. We are at the front. This is a good day.
Pass this behind me. That's
So relaxing.
I know. Oh,
I love myself.
I love myself.
It's so awkward. We have phones, I promise.
Oh, I know. It's okay. We're just sailing. Okay, well, basically that was some up of my night. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want me to make more vlogs like this, or just vlogs in general, please comment down in the section below. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I'm addicted to you.